Welcome to the Exact Contact tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to assign a marketing activity plan to contacts in your database. For instructions on creating marketing activity plans, please see the separate tutorial that covers this topic. In order to assign a plan to an individual contact, start by opening the contact record and then click the Keep in Touch tab. At the bottom of the Contacts Keep in Touch page, there is a list labeled Activity Plans Assigned to this contact. To assign a new plan to the contact, click Assign New Activity Plan above the list. The first step in assigning a marketing activity plan is the entry of the plan start date and the selection of the plan. The plan start date defaults to the current date, but can be overridden if you wish. The plan start date, along with the due days assigned to each activity plan task, determines the actual due date that will be assigned to each task in your task list. The bottom section of the page is where you search for and select the marketing plan to assign to the contact. The search fields allow you to search by the plan method of correspondence, and you can also perform a keyword search. If the contact has a preferred method of correspondence set in their contact profile, this is indicated on the page so you know what method of correspondence to choose for the plan. Note that if you assign a plan with drip emails to a contact who is unsubscribed from your email correspondence, these emails will not be automatically sent, and the task will remain in your incomplete task list after the task due date. When you have found the plan you wish to assign to the contact, check the box next to the plan name and click the Continue button. The next page displays a list of all the individual plan tasks that will be created. Each task now includes the actual due date that has been calculated based on the plan start date and the task due dates. Before assigning the plan, you have the option to move in each individual task to another day, or you can uncheck the Include checkbox next to the plan name in order to not create the task at all. When you are ready, click the Assign Plan and Create Selected Task button at the bottom of the page. The list at the bottom of the Contact Keep in Touch tab has been updated to indicate that the plan has now been assigned. To see the pending activities that have been assigned to the contact, click the Activities History tab and go to the Pending Activities list. And there are all the tasks that have been created by assigning my plan. If you wish to unassign a plan with outstanding tasks, you can do so by clicking the Unassign Plan and Delete Incomplete Task button next to the plan name in the activity plans assigned to this contact list. All incomplete activities will be removed from your task list, while activities that have already been completed will not be removed from the contact's activity history. If you wish to mass assign the same activity plan to multiple contacts at the same time, you can do this using the List View function. Start by clicking the List button at the top of your contact list. You can then either display a list of all contacts or click the Search Contacts button to perform a simple or advanced search on your database. You can use the advanced search to return only those contacts that you want to assign the activity plan to. Once you have your list of contacts, check the boxes next to those contact names that you wish to assign the plan to. Then, from the Select Action list at the top of the page, select Assign Activity Plan and click the arrow next to the list. Note that you can only assign a marketing activity plan to up to 200 contacts at once. Now follow the same steps described above in order to assign your selected plan to your selected contacts. You now know how to use Exact Contact to assign a marketing activity plan to either an individual contact or to a group of contacts.